When working on an automotive battery, heavy equipment battery, truck battery, etc., you have to pay attention to the plurality. The battery has both positive and negative terminals. Generally speaking, they're marked. There are smart ways and not so smart ways to work on a battery. Now, this battery is out of the vehicle because it makes it much easier for us to do a demonstration, but the key point from a safety point of view is to always remove the negative terminal first, and when you've finished working on your battery, put the negative terminal on last. This will prevent the incidence of any sparks or any other damaging current flows. Lead-acid batteries aren't only used in cars and trucks. They're also used in boats and other applications. In these types of applications, it's very helpful to have a connection that allows the battery to be disconnected and either charged or easily removed. In this case, we have Tech Team's solid brass marine battery terminals. The pair of terminals has one positive terminal, that's the red one, and one negative terminal, that's the one with the black thumb screw. To attach these terminals, we use a 13mm wrench. I'm going to do the positive one here because the negative one fits exactly the same way. I'm sure I don't have to show you that. And this has a wing nut, which you can put a standard battery cable lug over, tighten down, and now you're good to go.